Cebu Bisil Traffic Service. This is Cebu Bisil Traffic Service. Calling Motor Bisil Taluto. Call sign Oscar Yankee 789. We have you on radar approaching the Cebu Street. Report your position and estimated time of arrival at the street entrance. Over.
Motor Brazil Taluto Oscar Yankee 789 to Cebu Brazil Traffic Service. Our position is 10.30 degrees north, 123.45 degrees is estimated time of arrival at the street entrance is 10:00 hours. Over.
Motor Bisil Taluto. Oscar Yankee 789. Cebu Bisil Traffic Service. Acknowledge. We are advising of moderate traffic in the street. Visibility is reported as 5 nautical miles due to light fog. Proceed with caution and maintain a speed not exceeding 10 knots. Monitor VHF channel 16 for further updates. Over.
Motor Brazil Taluto Oscar Yankee 789. Understood. We will proceed with caution at a speed not exceeding 2 knots. Monitoring VHF channel 16. Over.
Motor Bisil Taluto. Oscar Yankee 789. We have another Bisil, the Motor Bisil Seabreeze, approaching from the opposite direction. They are currently 5 nautical miles away. We will coordinate their movements to ensure safe passage. Maintain your course and speed. Over.
Motor Brazil Taluto Oscar Yankee 789. Understood. Maintaining course and speed. Awaiting further instruction. Over.
Motor Bisil Taluto. Oscar Yankee 789. Cebu Bisil Traffic Service advises that the Motor Bisil Seabreeze has altered course to maintain a safe distance. You are clear to proceed. Have a safe passage. Cebu Bisil Traffic Service out.
Brazil Taluto Oscar Yankee 789. Thank you, Cebu Brazil Traffic Service. Safe passage. Confirm. Motor Brazil Taluto out.